Hello everyone, in this video what I'm going to do, I'm going to walk you through the process of using the LifeWave X39 patches effectively. So whether you're new to these patches or you're just looking for some tips on how to optimize your experience, you've come to the right place. First, you're going to choose an area of your body where you'll apply the X39 patch. Now, common patching areas used during clinical studies specifically for the X39 patches are right at the base of the back of your neck or 2 inches right below your navel or your belly button. So you're gonna select the site that's actually more convenient and comfortable as can be for yourself. So the next step is to ensure that the area of application is clean and dry. So what you can do, you can use soap and water to remove any dirt, oil, barbecue sauce, some residual that's left over on your skin from the prior night. Pat the area dry, clean towel. So what this is gonna do is gonna ensure optimal adhesion of the patch. So what you're gonna do next, you're gonna carefully remove the X39 patch from its packaging. You gently peel off the backing to expose the adhesive side of the patch. You place the adhesive side of the X39 patch onto the selected area of your skin, pressing down firm to ensure proper adhesion, and then you smooth it out. You smooth out any wrinkles or any kind of air bubbles. Now, once the X39 patch is applied, typically the patches are worn for 12 hours at a time. So it's actually pretty convenient to apply them in the morning right after you do your morning routine, and then you just remove them before bedtime. Easy, right? Or you could just set an alarm. Most people have an alarm on their phone for specific things. It's a good idea to set an alarm for your clock so you get the maximum benefits from the X39 patch. So you carefully peel the X39 patch from the skin after you're done. You dispose of the used patch responsibly by placing it in the trash. So for optimal results, you're gonna use a new LifeWave X39 patch every single day. Now, consistency is the key to experiencing the full benefits of the patches, so incorporate them in your daily routine, please. For best results, to ensure maximum effectiveness for each decade that you're alive, you patch for 1 month. So if you are 60, you will need to patch for around 6 months for the patches to awaken all of your sleeping stem cells. And after you hit your marker, what do? Right? Keep using them. If you want to start reverting back to the old aging clock, let's put this in another way. So another way I can explain this is that I have solar panels on my roof, and when they first installed the solar panels, the energy company had to come by and install a special meter on my home that I can look at on a beautiful sunny day here in Central Florida and see the digital arrow beautifully going backwards. So if I didn't have a device to convert the sun's light into usable energy, it would always be moving forward. Remember, sunlight, arrow moving backwards or generating power, no sunlight, arrow moving forward, essentially using power. So there you have it. Simple and effective guide to using the LifeWave X39 patches. Remember to follow these steps carefully to ensure maximum effectiveness and comfort. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to LifeWave customer support or just consult with your healthcare professional. Thanks for watching. Ciao.